of South Africa, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa. When we bone kanjani, mina, I am speechless. I've got no words. I wouldn't say I'm impressed. I wouldn't say I'm disappointed. But if you have seen my video that I posted earlier before this one, you will understand where was I coming from. Let's talk in the comment section with Nina Nibonenjan is State of the Nation address. Because promises are promises, dreams are dreams. But at the end of the day, South Africa, sipila, good reality, the real South Africa. Let's talk in the comment section. Follow for more. Guys, Madlanga, there was somebody, actually I need to go back to Madlanga and catch up because this was hilarious. I have never seen advocate Baloyi, Mr. Madlanga no Khumalo baphela ngalendlela le bebaphele ngakhona. Look at this video.
Not even a fire. We were not having firearm at that time until we were assisted by TRT, is Captain Schobela and Colonel P. Leif from TRT, and most of the guys that were assisting us, it was from Tom's, Hawks, Kalingsi, which Nomsa mentioned here. The Sergeant Kosi was here at the commission, not the Sergeant Kosi of the back. Sergeant Kosi who said that the other sergeant who said my commander doesn't have balls was the one who was assisting us.
Sergeant Nkosi from Tom's.
Yeah, from Tom's.
Yeah.
Those are the people who, when we seek assistance, they assist us.
You didn't have to mention balls. You could have just said Sergeant Nkosi from the Tom's.
I wanted to distinguish because there is another one who has a dark cloud. So